Welcome to the third course of the Fundamentals of Computer and Network Security Specializations, Hacking and Patching. It is a short course title, but it says it all. This course learns how to hack web application with command injection vulnerability. In the demo, we will enter only 4 characters to malicious as a malicious string like ampersand sign, ls ampersand sign, which will expose the victim directory. This is the shortest malicious attack I know. We learn to launch any Unix command, including cat, to show the file content on the victim system, possibly reveal the passwords. We'll drop single-line PHP code as a Trojan so that we can come back later. We'll learn how to hack web application with database backend with SQL injection vulnerability and potentially show the list of passwords hiding in the database by injecting 12 character string to override an SQL query. We also learn how to perform code review to spot the command injection or SQL injection pattern. For example, they may not have immediate input validation code right after the input. They don't have immediate exit when detect an error. They don't have. They utilize generic system code instead of a specialized specific function code. We learn to apply a security design pattern in writing code so that we can avoid injection attack and enhance the web security. We also learn the 8 steps hacker methodology for systematically exploit systems. We then understand the buffer overflow attack and deploy their defense. We'll learn performing the vulnerability scanning using the tool called Nessus. With Nessus, we can detect the recent WannaCry, WannaCrypt, ransomware on unpatched Windows system. We learn how to perform penetration testing using the tool included in Kali distribution, Linux distributions. Finally, we'll learn to use Metasploit framework to take control of vulnerable machines and deploy keylogger, run the remote shell, or perform remote VNC injection to see the same desktop on the victim. So let's get started.